Hi everyone, welcome back to Layman Loans. Today we'll be seeing how to take a home loan. So firstly, what is a home loan? Banks will be willing to finance your home loan. If you're willing to buy a house, you need not actually put in all your money, all your savings to get a house. Instead, you can get up to 80 or even 90% of the house cost through a loan. So firstly, who can get a home loan and to whom is this home loan actually given to? In general, when you are getting a loan, the fund actually comes to you. Say, in case you're getting a personal loan or a business loan, any specific loan other than a home loan, the fund hits your bank account. So the bank actually gives the sanctioned amount to your bank account. But in the case of a home loan, 90% of the times, the bank gives the sanctioned amount only to the builder who is constructing the loan. Unless until you are the builder who is constructing the loan, you are not likely to get the home loan funds in your account. So, who is a builder? A builder is a promoter or a constructor who is trying to build a home for you. So, what are the different types of homes? There are independent houses, villas, apartments, condominiums, and so on. But irrespective of what form of construction it is, based on the category of builder, there's something called as a Cat A builder, Cat B builder. So the number of projects a builder has delivered, the reputation of the builder, and the number of active projects which are going on for the builder and how many loans which have already been sanctioned for the builder. Based on all these metrics, 50% of the home loan sanction is done. Say, for example, you are trying to go to a ABC builder who is totally not known by anyone and you're trying to build a independent house for you. Then for you to get a home loan for that particular builder for your independent house is a lot more difficult than you going to a very well-known builder like a Arihant Construction or a Hiranandani or someone like that who have built thousands and thousands of homes and delivered over the past several years. To them, if you book a house, your likelihood of getting the loan sanction from a reputed bank is always much higher. Now, coming back to how can you apply for a home loan and how can you get it sanctioned? Firstly, you need a couple of things for you to even apply for a home loan. There are two things which are taken into consideration when you are looking for a home loan. One, you need to be eligible for getting a home loan. Two, your property or your home should be able to support the value which you are asking for. Say, for example, you are looking for a 1 crore loan. The bank will say you need to actually fund at least 20 lakhs, about 20% from your pocket, then we'll be able to release another 80%. So if you want to buy a 1 crore home, you need to just have 20 lakhs with you. And that too, you need not put the entire money all at one stretch. Instead, as the construction is going on, you can keep on investing the money to the builder for the construction, and banks will also simultaneously keep releasing the funds. Say, for example, if the home is ground floor and first floor, the terms in your construction schedule will be in such a way that once the foundation is done, you have to release 25%. Once the ground floor ceiling is done, you have to release another 25%. And first floor ceiling is done, you need to release another 25%. And during handover, you need to release another 25%. So both your contribution and the bank's contribution can be released in this similar fashion. Say, once the foundation is done, once the loan is sanctioned, they'll release this first amount, say the first 25%. So you need to release your 5 lakhs and bank will release another 20 lakhs. So the first 25% is done. Second, once the foundation is completed, they'll release another 25%. So similarly, you have to give your share as well. So in this similar fashion, you can release this entire funds in a span of say 6 months or 9 months based on the pace at which your construction is going on, and you can avail your loan. So the only thing the bank will check is, does your property support this loan value? So the property value should be at least like 1 or 1.2 crores for you to be eligible to get an 80 lakhs loan. On top of it, they will also check whether you will be able to repay or not. Firstly, unlike other loans, your home loan can be taken for an extended period of time. You can typically take a 10-year loan, 15-year loan, 20, even 30 years loan. And the rate of interest for a home loan is the lowest. So you can get a home loan for as low as 7.3 or 7.5% per annum itself. And your EMI amount can also be reduced to a fraction of the amount if your tenure is spanning across 20 to 30 years. So for all these reasons, you'll be able to own your dream home at a much lower EMI using the home loan option available in most of the banks. As I already mentioned, you need to be having the repayment capacity for a home loan, and your property also should have a substantial value for it to be eligible to get a home loan. So if your property value is about 1.2 to 1.5 crores, you will be very easily able to get 80 lakhs of home loan. On top of it, the banks also see whether you have a clear track record of repayment, that is, whether you have repaid your previous loans or are you currently paying your loans promptly without any default of your EMIs. EMIs means equated monthly installments. And secondly, whether do you have enough money coming in for you to support your home loan. Say, assume your monthly salary is about 50,000 rupees and you currently have a bike loan and a personal loan. So both the loans together, your EMI is about 15,000 rupees is what you're currently paying. So from your 35,000 rupees, which is left over from the 50,000 rupees of your salary, you are maximum eligible for about 15 to 20,000 rupees of EMI only. You cannot consider like, I have 35,000 remaining, so I can actually max out and reach out to the bank and ask for a 35,000 rupees worth EMI of loan. That is totally not possible, because banks will always consider a threshold value. They will see that for your living expenses, about 40 to 50% of your payment, your salary goes off, and the remaining amount is what you can spare for your actual EMIs. So if your EMI ballpark figure is about 15 to 20,000, then you will certainly be able to get your home loan. So in this section, I've given you a brief introduction of how you can get your home loan and what is the criteria to get it, and what are the parameters you need, what are the parameters are involved to actually get your loan. That is, first thing is your eligibility and second is property value. Let's see in the next video how you can actually check your most important score called CIBIL score, and how you will be able to check the overall EMI which you will be paying for several years together for a specified amount of loan what you take. Thank you so much for watching this video. Looking forward to connect with you in the next one. See you. Bye-bye.